So you're thinking a lot about entering into the world of digital marketing in 2024? Awesome choice. Digital marketing is one of the most dynamic and rewarding fields out there. And today, in this video, I'm going to give you a complete roadmap to kickstart your career in digital marketing. There are a lot of things happening in digital marketing field. AI has come, new technologies and platforms have come. So you might be thinking, where do I start from the scratch? For this, I would request you to watch this video completely till the end so that you don't miss out on any important steps. Alright, in this video we will cover everything you need to know, from the essential skills and certification to the latest industry trends and how to stand out in a competitive job market. Whether you are just starting out or looking to pivot into a new role, I've got you covered. We will be diving into the core skills you need, top certifications and courses, building your personal brand, ways to earn as a digital marketer, trends to watch in 2024. So grab your notebook and get ready, because we are about to break down how you can start a successful career in digital marketing. Hello guys, welcome to Digital Anke YouTube channel. I'm Nandakishore. In this channel, I make videos on digital marketing, web design and tech tutorials. For more informative videos, please subscribe to Digital Anke YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to all, so that you don't miss out on any of my latest video updates. So let's get started. Now, before we understand our clear roadmap, let us understand what exactly is digital marketing. In the simplest terms, digital marketing is all about promoting your products or services using online tools and platforms. This includes things like social media, search engines, email, and websites. It's how businesses connect with people, attract new customers, and build their brand. Basically, if you're using internet to market something, that means you are doing digital marketing. As more and more people are becoming active on the internet, lots of new platforms and new technologies are introduced into the market. Marketing is a vast field, and digital marketing is just one part of it. While traditional marketing focuses on the methods like print ads, TV commercials, and direct mail, digital marketing harnesses the power of internet and digital technologies. So whether you are looking to connect with customers using website, an app, or social media, digital marketing offers the tools and strategies to make that happen effectively in today's online world. Alright, let's talk about the core skill you need to thrive in digital marketing. First up is SEO. This is all about improving the visibility of a website on search engine like Google. You need to understand keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building techniques to help your content rank higher on search results. Here you learn how to develop a website, how to rank it on search engines, how to do technical SEO and local SEO. Next is content creation. This involves producing engaging and valuable content, whether it's through blog posts, videos, infographics, and social media updates. Strong writing skill, creativity, and a knack for storytelling are key here. The third skill is social media management. You need to know how to create and schedule posts, engage with your audience, and analyze the performance across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. The fourth skill is email marketing. It is still one of the most effective ways to reach your audience. You should be familiar with crafting compelling email marketing campaigns, segmenting your audience, and analyzing open rates and click-through rates. The fifth skill you should learn is PPC advertising. It involves creating and managing ads that appear on search engine and social media platforms. Understanding how to set up campaigns, choose the right keywords, and optimize ad spend is crucial for driving targeted traffic. Finally, you need strong analytical skills. Digital marketing generates a lot of data, so being able to interpret metrics, track campaign performance, and make data-driven decisions is essential for optimizing your strategies. Mastering these core skills will set you up for the success in the digital marketing world. Each area complements the other, so a well-rounded skill set will make you effective and versatile. Alright, before diving into the world of digital marketing, ask yourself a question: are you more technical or creative? Understanding your strengths will help you decide your path. If you lean towards creativity, you might find yourself enjoying the thrill of strategizing content, creating captivating ads, and bringing fresh ideas to life. On the other hand, if you are drawn towards this technical side, you will likely have a blast optimizing ads, diving into the SEO, and leveraging the data to drive results. The key is to master one skill first. In today's market, having expertise in one specific area sets you apart and opens doors to greater opportunities. So, discover your passion, focus on honing that skill, and watch your marketing career take off. So, why are certifications and courses are so valuable? Well, in today's fast-paced job market, employers are constantly looking for candidates who are not only knowledgeable but who also stay up to date with the latest industry trends. That's where these certifications are crucial. Certifications show that you are committed to learning, staying relevant, and mastering specialized skills. Plus, they often require less time and investment compared to your full-time degree, which makes them accessible to everyone. Now, when choosing a course or certifications online, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, consider your industry and the specific skills that are in demand. Second, check the credibility of the organization offering these certifications. Make sure it's recognized by the organizations and professional bodies. Lastly, think about your career goals. Whether you wanted to get promoted, switch roles, or start something entirely new. By investing time and effort into these certifications and courses, you'll not only enhance your skills but also make more attractive to the employers and clients in the digital marketing space. By the way, if you want to know the best sites to learn digital marketing for free, then you can check out this video where I have covered 6 websites to learn digital marketing for free along with the certifications. Building your personal brand is all about showcasing who you are, what you stand for, and the unique value you bring to the table. Whether you are a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or even working for a company, your personal brand is what sets you apart from others in your field. It's how people pursue you both online and offline. Your brand should reflect your skills, values, and personality. It's more than just a polished LinkedIn profile. It's about being authentic, sharing your story, and demonstrating your expertise consistently. Building a strong personal brand can open doors to many new opportunities, help you connect with like-minded professionals, and position you as a thought leader in your industry. To start, you'll want to identify your core strength and passions. What do you want to be known for? Then create content, whether it's through blogs, social media posts, or even YouTube videos. Engage with your community, network with others, and always seek ways to provide value. Remember, your personal brand isn't built overnight. It's a long-term investment in your career and professional relationships. So, stay authentic, consistent, and focused on your goals. And over time, you'll create a brand that truly reflects who you are and the impact you want to make. We will discuss 3 key ways you can earn as a digital marketer. First up, a 9-to-5 digital marketing job. Many companies today are actively hiring for in-house digital marketers to manage their online presence, run campaigns, and drive business growth. With the digital marketing being in such high demand, landing a full-time position can offer stability, a steady income, and an opportunity to grow your skills within the company. Now, let me tell you an interesting fact. More than 5,000 jobs are created daily in digital marketing, and there are many such. Second is freelance marketing services. If you have got a knack for social media, SEO, or running paid ads, why not offer your skills to businesses that are in need? You can charge for services like creating marketing strategies, managing social media accounts, or running paid ads, or boosting website traffic. The beauty of freelancing is that you can work on your own schedules and set your own rates. Now, if you are in a situation where you are getting a lot of clients in freelancing, then you can convert this freelancing gig into a full-time digital marketing agency, where what you are actually doing is hiring full-time clients and building your own team. And finally, starting your own digital marketing agency. Once you have owned your marketing skills, you can scale up by building your own digital marketing agency. This allows you to serve multiple clients, grow a team, and take on larger projects. Owning an agency can significantly increase your income and allow you to work with diverse brands. If you are converting to an agency model, then you start with a little bit of your own investment and hire people who have skills in multiple things. Some have social media marketing, some have paid ads, some have email marketing, and some have AI and automation. All of you create a team and start a digital marketing agency, because many brands or clients want their entire digital marketing activities to be taken care by a single team. You can create an agency and do it very well. Then overall, what is useful here is how many skilled people you can hire and earn money from your smart work. Guys, do let me know in the comment section what you are planning to do and which method you have chosen to earn money and grow as a digital marketer. the digital marketing landscape is known for its constant evolution and rapid pace. For instance, the remarkable growth of AI in 2023 is set to keep advancing and influencing every aspect of digital marketing in 2024 and further. First one is AI-powered marketing tools. AI continues to revolutionize marketing, from AI chatbots providing 24/7 customer support to AI-generated content. Businesses are using these tools to enhance personalization and streamline operations. In 2024, AI will help marketers automate tasks like campaign optimization and audience segmentation, allowing them to focus on strategy and creativity. Short form video content. We all know how big short form video is, thanks to platforms like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. In 2024, short form video content is set to dominate as users crave quick, engaging, and snackable content. Brands that leverage these platforms effectively can boost engagement and grow their reach in short time. Voice search optimization. With more people using voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistants, optimizing content for voice search is no longer optional. In 2024 and further, you can expect to see a surge in voice search queries. That means marketers need to focus on conversational keywords and making content easily accessible through voice comments. Social commerce. The integration of e-commerce with social media is becoming a powerhouse. In 2024 and further, platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook are enhancing their shopping features, allowing the users to purchase the products without leaving the app. Brands that embrace social commerce will benefit from seamless shopping experiences and more conversions. And that's it for today's roadmap on starting a career in digital marketing in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the Digital Anki YouTube channel, and ring the bell for more valuable content like this. Drop your questions or share your digital marketing journey in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next interesting video.